What's up, guys? Just getting some gas, and these roads are not looking promising. This is a 40-minute drive for me, and it's gonna probably take me an hour and a half. It rained last night. It's all fogged this morning. I was going 35 and a 55. It's not fun. I can barely see. So this is gonna be interesting trip. But you know what? Shoot ducks, man, we gotta chase them. So let's get this jump. We'll do it. Let's go. I don't even know. They're not even
gonna hear you that far.
No, but these four are.
Those are teal.
Yep.
Stay still, Zach.
Golden.
We got two. Wait, I'm like.
Sorry for
Wait. Everybody don't move.
Yep.
I'm gonna finish this one off.
Stay still, Zach.
Golden.
We got two. Wait, I'm gonna
Sorry for shooting right over you guys.
Everybody don't move. Yep. I'm gonna finish this one off.
Here's one.
Where?
Right above here. Come on. He's not low enough.
Shoot him.
About four of us got him again.
Heck yeah.
Jesus.
How many did we shoot?
I shot two.
Okay, three.
Okay, so liking the feeding.
Yeah. This is good. This is a really cramped blind. I might sit up here too. I like it though.
Dead bird, come on. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on, dead bird, dead bird.
Fetch it up.
Fetch it up. Hey, back.
Those are some teal.
Oh, she sees it.
Good girl, good girl. Fetch it up.
Here.
Here, girl. Fetch it up, here. No, here. Here. Good girl, good girl.
No, I wasn't.
Hey, ducks coming in, ducks coming in.
Yep. Yeah, they definitely did. We could have taken them, but
It would have been
Technically, yeah, technically we could have poked him, but
I just wanted them to kind of do it. Sit it and her kind of. Where's that?
Sweet green wing. Yeah.
Hey.
He's almost fully plumed out.
Oh yeah.
Almost.
Where's that?
Over there.
Fawn.
She's behind you.
Oh, good girl. Ready? Where's that? Oh, way back there. Hey, Fawn. Fawn, you ready? Back. Fetch it up. Fetch it up. Hey, back. Hey. Wrong thing. Hey. Good girl. Hey, you ready? Ready? Fawn. Ready? Back. Over. Good girl.
There you go.
Good girl. Get it. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl.
You know how to kill it? Kill it. Get it. Get it, girl. Good girl. Bring it here. Come here. Good girl. Hey, no, you here. No, here. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, give. 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 No, you give. Good girl. They might shortstop us. They're going to shortstop us. Zach? Can you see him?
Yeah, I see.
They're on the water. Let me.
You kill them both right now with one shot.
Okay, do it. Yeah! He and I both shot. Did you shoot too?
No, I didn't. I was about to.
Yeah, he and I both shot. He and I both shot. Let's go, baby! Dude, we got both of them.
That was so good. Maybe I should stop.
Hey, shoot him again.
I'm waiting for him to move out of the way of the other one.
Not to shoot him.
There he goes.
There you go.
I don't know how many ducks we got, but we got some. Now we're just waiting for more. So, well, afternoon update. It's been super slow. We haven't done very good. We've had a couple come in, missed a few of them, got a couple of them, but yeah, we're hoping that more come in. We're gonna stick it out and hope for the best.
Picking up decoys. Ended up with all these big dudes. What do you think, Bryson?
2 away from the limit.
Yep. What's up, happy people? So we did end up with 2 birds away from a 2-man limit. We actually did have over a 2-man limit. What's that phone? We did have over a 2-man limit, but the guys that joined us, they took birds. So we made our way back up. It just ended up being Bryson and I at the end. Everyone had prior obligations. So it actually worked out really good at the end there. And we kind of figured out, okay, like this is what an afternoon hunt is going to be like out there. So just to see if we want to do a future video for afternoon hunt. And so, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. All right. Peace.